Wayu Briew hapo nungba impal ulap lap da Tiar Thma balabu re hakapo por ba udang penmadan ya kajaka jomu. Langait ba kini Tiar Thma kidei kiban nado gatma ba kabaar lane kabangitip kum ka World War II. Ki live cartridges bat ki bom pat thai ki dei ki ter na pting ki balalam na kane ka jaka utrai kane ka jaka ulapan tip klempen slam shaki pulit masin yo iya kini ki ter Thma haka jaka jom.
At around 12:55 p.m. from one Kampu Domel of Langnom Bang Ward number 9. He reported about a stash of ammunition which he has discovered while leveling his plot of land. Upon receiving the report, a team of More police station rushed to the spot and discovered and ascertained the ammunition to be 27 live large caliber ammunition, 43 empty shells and 15 empty boxes, all believed to be of World War II era. Later, in consultation with superior officers and experts from bomb disposal squad, Manipur police, the said ammunition was safely removed from the residential area.